Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, please consider subscribing, like and share. And please, today I'm here to show you guys the mixture which I use to clear off my stretch marks after giving birth. As you can see on the thumbnail, I was pregnant and I have a son of 8 years, but I had stretch mark when I gave birth, and this is the thing I use, or this is a mixture which I use to clear off my stretch mark from this to this. So if you're interested in seeing how to also clear your stretch mark, you must not give birth before you have stretch mark. Please stay tuned and keep on watching. So the first thing you need is lemon juice. Lemon is rich in vitamin C and also is high in pH level, which decreases oil on the skin and reduces inflammation. We also need milk. Milk is used as a cleanser and also removes fat from oily areas of the skin and moisturizes dry skin area. You also need honey. Honey helps in your healing process and helps in fading out scars. Baking soda helps in reducing the appearance of acne scars and pigmentation, and also it can also be used to calm down sunburns and other forms of irritation. The anti-inflammatory properties of turmeric works on your pores and calms the skin. Turmeric is also known to reduce scarring and heal any kind of wound faster. You also need coconut oil. Coconut oil helps to produce more collagen, which is going to tighten your skin. Sea salt helps closing up open pores, soaking up excess oil, killing acne-caused bacteria, diminishing scars, healing wounds, and reducing inflammation. Oatmeal can soak up the excess oil on your skin and help treat acne. They remove the dirt and oil that clogs the pores and exfoliate the skin. So oatmeal is kind of the major thing you need for this mixture. You also need your blender. Depending on the quantity you want, you put a lot of this. I put this amount of oatmeal, sea salt, baking soda, coconut oil and honey, lemon juice, turmeric, your fresh milk, so right now I'm blending it. I'm not going to blend it too smooth. I'm just going to blend it in such a way that I can still feel the grains when I'm using it on my body. I usually do this at night, so after taking my shower, I will take it and put it on my problem area and scrub it in a circular motion for like 20 to 30 seconds on the same spot. Like, you scrub it wherever you have the problem, or you can also use it as your full body scrub, but bear in mind that it's going to stain your nails. If you have white nails, don't use it. You have to use maybe some gloves. So after you're done scrubbing your body, you see how it looks. Actually, you use your towel to dry your skin, and maybe I always sleep like that. I don't apply any moisturizer because the coconut oil on the mixture will help me as my moisturizer for the night. So to preserve it, you have to cover and put it in the fridge, and then you repeat the usage again. So guys, thanks for watching, and give me a thumbs up. Tell me in the comment section below if it works for you, and like I said, it's going to lighten you up if you use it all over your body, because it's going to it lightens the skin. So for those of you who want to be light, you can also use this to lighten your skin. So guys, if you've tried this and it works for you, please come back to this video and leave your reviews. And thanks for watching. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.